So today we are fixing putting a new alternator in this 2007 Toyota Solara. I hope it's the right one. Let's see. Okay, put it in there. Okay, look like it's the right one, guys. Look like it's the right one. So what I'm gonna do, the alternator is actually is one of the easiest job you can do in a car. Alternate is the easiest job you can do. I know we have this things in the way, you know, but once you get it in there, it's all about the screws right here, and it takes 14 mm. It's this big ball right here. This big ball right here goes right here, and it's about a 14 mm to take it out, and a small piece, and this small piece goes right here. It holds it down. That takes 10 mm, and that them two goes down there. All right. So let me see which one I'm gonna start with. So let me go ahead and put this big one in here. Okay, that one goes in there. This one goes. Let's see, it's so tricky how it goes. It's so tricky how it goes. It goes like this. Goes in there. Okay, it's in there like that. Okay, just to hold it down. Just hold it down. And put your belt up. Put your belt up. Okay. 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 Now this piece goes in here to that one. Okay. That piece goes in there. That one goes in there, and this one tightens. And then you can connect this and connect this. That's pretty much it. That's how you do your alternator. You know. Okay, get this one in tight and nice. Tight and nice in there. Okay, it's tight and nice. And then you're gonna tighten this one right here. But this is gonna take me a while. I don't know where my 14. So tighten this one, and then you do your connections. All right, so it's all in there, tight and fit. I'm gonna connect these small pieces right here. Connect that small piece. I'm gonna plug this up. Plug this up. Plug up. Oh, that didn't stay. Okay, that's pretty much it. Your alternator is done. That's it, guys.